ETHERFI Season 3 airdrop is finally here, crypto fellows. As promised before, I will explain step by step how to claim those precious ETHFI tokens. But before we begin, join the fam by subscribing to my channel and enabling the notification bell to stay updated on all crypto airdrop news. Once you go to the ETHERFI claiming page provided in the description, connect your wallet. Ensure your wallet is not empty to avoid a Sybil report. To increase your chances of receiving a higher allocation, you should either hold ETHFI tokens or ensure some interaction with the ETHERFI platform, such as staking Ethereum or possessing LSTs or LRTs. In my case, I have already received my share. Don't let this opportunity slip through your fingers, as it could be a game changer for your crypto journey. On the technical side, according to our current ETHERFI price prediction, the price is expected to rise by 228.18% and reach $4.90 by November 6, 2024. Based on our technical indicators, the current sentiment is neutral, while the fear and greed index shows 50, neutral. ETHERFI has recorded 18 out of 30, 60% green days, with a 10.24% price volatility over the last 30 days. According to the ETHERFI forecast, it is now a good time to buy ETHERFI. That concludes today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video with a new airdrop.